Hi, it's Chris. In this video we're going to show you how to remove and reinstall the fuse in your GE microwave. To remove and replace the fuse in your GE microwave does not require any special tools. Keep in mind, if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. Some of the reasons you're probably looking at having to remove and replace the fuse is if over time there's been a bit of a little power surge, or if some of your door switches weren't lining up right or were sticking and caused the fuse to blow. So the first thing you want to do when taking the door off from your microwave is unplug it from the outlet. Once that's done, the next thing you want to do is take a Phillips screwdriver, and you're going to want to remove the two screws that hold the top grill in place. And remove the right hand screw, and then do the exact same thing on the other side. Just take hold of the grill from either side, and you pretty much just wiggle it out of position and set it to one side. Now our next step is going to be removing this little grill. So we're just going to take our Phillips screwdriver again and remove two screws that hold the grill in place. Set that to one side, and there's our fuse right there. Now all we need to do is just take our needle nose pliers and just gently lift the fuse up out of its holder and remove it. So it's just that easy to remove the fuse from your GE microwave. Now to reinstall it, same process, just in reverse. So now we're just going to bring our fuse into position, lay it into the holder, and then just press down on either end to snap it into place. Now that the fuse is installed, we're just going to put that grill back into position and put the two retaining screws in place. Put the screw in the other side, secure it. Now that the grill is secure, we just need to put our front grill back in on the microwave. Now to put your grill back in, you'll notice on the bottom of the grill there's 1, 2, 3 little tabs. And when you look on the microwave, there's a hole in the identical 3 positions. So all you're going to do is bring in your grill, drop those tabs into those holes. That lines it up, and then just going to push down a little bit. There we go. And now we just put our 2 screws back in, and that'll be secured. So there you go. It's just that easy to remove and replace the fuse in your GE microwave.